Okay, we have salted fertilizer map. If almanac by this LLC need to be planted. Also leads needs. Okay, so we have two maps, a bunch of maps. Okay. Plant what type of soil to use for each kind of seed, fertilizer to use each kind of soil, and so on. For every type of seed, soil, fertilizer, and so on, numbers aren't reused. For example, okay, that one's starting listing which seeds need to be planted. Okay, then map. Describe how to convert numbers from a source category into numbers from a destination category. That makes sense. So seed to soil. Convert a seed number to a soil number. Yeah, okay, the destination. Why are there three there? The source is found. This every sign corresponding destination number one by one. Entire ranges of numbers. Okay, so it can be converted. Contain three numbers. Destination range start. Destination start. Source start. Range length. I see. Okay. Consider. Okay. Uh, as a start. Blah blah blah. Okay. You can some required for each correspond to whatever. So lowest location number. To do that, you need to convert each seed number until you find its location number. Okay, so lowest of those, okay? And are they in the correct order? Yes, they are. So I don't really need that. Let's, yeah, okay. In that case, I'm going to do this. So first of all, S equals okay, that okay, now I need to do following template. Now I need the mapping. So this is again destination number. Okay, so oh, smart split. Uh, so I need to map the conversions, and everyone is guaranteed to be in there. Okay, so I'm just going to could overlap. Wait, what's something that aren't mapped? Aren't mapped. Okay, same. So we don't change them. Okay, that's easy enough. Thank you. So, I need a number from that, and I need to do the following. If, yeah, enumerate would have been nice. If value is greater than or equal $s, and value is less than $s plus $L, that means it's within the range. Then S of I plus equals $D minus $S. Update it, and that is doing that. And actually, I don't care about what map, right? So I don't care. So because I'm just computing all the maps, and then out min. Okay, yeah. 333 is Is that correct? Let me actually submit that and see it's correct. No, it's not correct. Okay, but let's run it on the real input, on the demo input. 32, was that the correct answer? No, it was 35. Okay, that's not correct, but let's see what's the problem. Let's print join comma of s. Did I I think I misunderstood something probably, but okay, so let's see. Uh, 82, 32. So yeah, so the second one was supposed to be 43, not, oh, because I converted it twice from that. Okay, yes, that's what I see what the problem is. In that case, I need to do, okay, and then, uh, 35 correct. Okay, 30, whoa! Everyone is starving. Looks like the seed line describe ranges of seed numbers. Each pair is start of the range, and second value is the length of range. Da, da, da. What is the location number to respond? All the initial seed numbers listed in the range of the first. What is the location number that corresponds to any of the initial lowest? Okay, yeah, so, and because the numbers are so big, I can't just do it like that. I need to do them a bit more smart. So, okay, that makes sense. So I need to make this into intervals, and then what do I need to do then? I need to, um, okay, that will make, wait, no, I'm going to, yeah, put it as intervals. Okay, that's, now I have an array called B, which I can do the test. So now I have a conversion. So how do I check which ones? So I have an interval. I need to check, okay, so I need to intersect this with interval. Right, so I intersect two intervals, and then the intersection goes somewhere and the rest goes somewhere else. So I need, okay, that makes sense to me. So I'm intersecting intervals. So I'm doing the following. So my V and VD equals, and okay, so now I need to do, I need to split those intervals, and then I need to do that. So that's a little trickier than just marking what I did, because then I'm going to, so let's do it the appropriate way, which is if it's processing them at the end of a section. So what I'm gonna do is as follows. I need to just store the list. So uh, I So y over that, and then I'm going to DSL. Okay, so I have, so I need to, yeah, change the for, okay, and then I'm going over that and trying to check what intervals I have. So, okay. Okay, now for y of the y's, I'm going to do destination source. Right now I need to do the intersection, and that goes as follows. If d plus l is less than source, if d plus l, sorry, no, if v plus v delta is less than start, less than the start, that means we're not intersecting at all. Also, if the end, which is start plus length, is less than or equal to your current value, then then you're again outside of the realm. Otherwise, you're within the realm. Now I need to split into several sections. So let's check is the interval before. Interval before is if d uh, if d if s, the start of the interval we're intersecting, is less than v. If then that means there is a part of the no, I don't care about that. I care about if v is less than s. There's part of the interval we're looking that started before that. If so, I need to leave so I need to change s. Oh, so I need to change. So what I need to do? So I need to, yeah, I need to. Hmm. Yeah, that's a thing. Okay, let's do this. Sorry, I'm changing how I'm doing this because I realize there is some issues. For okay, so now what I want to do, and if v is less than s, that means there is a section before that I need to add that's not yet manipulated, so I need to push that into S. So actually, let's do this because I don't remember how this works, so let's just do it like that. That guarantees that I'm definitely okay. Okay, I don't have Y. Oh yeah, I do have Y anyway. So okay, so S. So while there's S, I take the V and VD and process them. If V is less than S, that means I have to have an interval So all the intervals. Okay. So I mean push s. The interval starts at v and ends in s minus. The length is s minus v. Okay. If that's if there's something before. If there's something after, which means if the if s plus l is less than or equal to v plus vd, that means that's what is less than v plus vd, means the end of that is well, our end, yeah, after that, that's correct. Then push s, then I have an unused section that starts at s plus l, and the length is the difference between them, which is v plus vd minus s minus l. Okay. Either way, I now need to apply the duration, which is going to go to O. Push O, yeah, push O, and O I put the following. I put something that starts with, okay, so, so where does it start? It starts with D, so I need to S plus D, plus where does it start? It starts with either with V or with S, whichever one is greater than, right? So max VS, whichever one is greater than that, but then minus S plus D because that's the correction. That's okay, that's the start of that. And the length is again, so that will be minimum of V plus VD S plus L, and then again manipulated. So, and then the thing is start and end minus start. That's what I'm putting into O. And then that should be the case, though. Wait, and then, okay, and then min of map. This is extremely unlikely to work and to be correct. Okay, what? Okay, so, okay, let's say, okay. Okay, let's see. Yeah, so those are where's the map been before? Okay, yeah. Okay, so now, okay, okay. Well, how would there be any S's, right? Because uh, I'm doing while S, then I delete them, and then I put the origin. Oh, something is wrong here. Applying that. Oh yeah, I need to do if there was no change, you need to uh, still, if there was no change, you need to put the original, wait, uh, so, because, yeah, if I made a change, that's done with that. But now, or, uh, what? No. Looking at the intervals, trying to apply the stuff. If there was no stuff, I need to put to O back VVD. Okay, that should be better. Okay, what's going on here? Okay, okay, I'm confusing myself. So that's weird. Cause oh, it's not S, it's B. Okay. Okay, so uh, 79, 14, 55, 13. Then I'm going to be, and then the first conversion is minus. That's no good. Minus should never be minus. So, oh, why is there an equal? Okay, 8114. It gets stuck right there. Okay, it gets stuck because V is 74, VD is 3, and then what? It is pushing. It does intersect. Oh, if it's inside, then it is fine. Uh, okay, what? Okay, because it pushes something to S. How am I repeatedly pushing it to S even though it should be, okay, so okay, let's say VD equals VD, D equals D, F equals S, L equals L. Okay, so start 77, length 23. That shouldn't have been even processed because, oh no, it's V plus VD is less, okay, yeah, VD is 1, so it is equal 7, 4, 5, and 6, so yes, that's outside, out of bounds. Okay, 46, that looks correct. Uh, line 375. Okay. Yeah. Wait, what? Okay, so now that's what I need. Okay, now it prints 46, which is correct. Okay, let's run it on the real input. 0. 0 is definitely wrong. Yeah, I see you had a 0 there. I mean, I'm pretty sure the answer isn't 0. Yeah, okay. Did I not run the last thing? That's one thing I'm, so, yeah, okay, that's not the problem. Okay, so for the real input, it transfers one of them to D equals 0. And there is a 0 on the D there, right? So it is not, yeah, there is definitely a 0 here, destination 0, but that doesn't mean that we output 0. Okay, okay. So, yeah, let's run it on the example again, which is, okay, yeah, I mean, I'm not going for, okay, so there are 2 ranges at the beginning, but at the end we end with 4 ranges. The lowest location, I have to say number 82, converts to 46. So the lowest location number is 46. Okay. And let's see if how the, okay, I don't need some of these debug prints. Let's remove this one and remove this one and just look at the steps of the conversion. Step 1 is the raw input. Cool. Then 5098. So that covers the second one. Sorry, 98 link 2. That doesn't apply to either of them. 50 length 48, that applies to both of them, and it increases them by 2. So far, so good. Next one is 15 goes to 0 for length 37. 15 plus 37 is 50 something, but that's too low. 30, 52 goes to, in length 2. That doesn't affect them. And 0 length 15, that also shouldn't affect them. So yeah, they don't get converted. Okay. Next is X149. So length. Actually, okay. Let's okay. Let's print that. And How is there a minor? What's going on here? Oh, oops, sorry. Sorry. Retaining 61.9, retaining 73 or 3. Okay. Okay. Retaining unchanged, retaining unchanged. Then converting 781 to 14. Okay. Considering 7914, converting it into 8114 because, yeah, okay. 5513 turning. Yeah, they're both in +2 conversion. Then, considering maintaining unchanged, retaining unchanged. Is that correct? So, it starts at 82, then soil 84. Yeah, so 82 becomes 84. Next, James stays unchanged. Next, consider 8114 converting the 7414. 81 to 74, 81 to 77, yeah, and then to 45. Now 4511, and then 11 converting, yes, 4611, and then, yeah, you didn't do the last conversion. You didn't run it at the end. Okay, now, oh wait, is it, let me guess, that was the problem? It was, okay.